Hello and welcome to Stoke Audi. My name is Ben and today I'll be showing you around this approved used Audi Q5 S-Line 40 TDI Quattro 204PS with the S Tronic gearbox. This particular Q5 is finished in the Mythos Black metallic paint, which looks fantastic against this car's chrome styling cues. Coming to the front of the vehicle, we do have this car's fantastic matrix LED headlights with the front and rear dynamic indicators, offering great visibility when driving in those darker conditions. Moving around the side, we come to this car's 19-inch 5-arm rotor design alloy wheels, which give this car some real nice presence on the road. Just some more information on this vehicle. It's an automatic diesel with a 40 TDI engine, which produces 204 PS and is covered just under 1500 miles. As we move around the side of the vehicle, we do see those chrome styling cues which work really well with the black paint. Coming forward, we do see the chrome door sills, the chrome trim around the windows, as well as the chrome roof rails. We also have the rear privacy glass, offering the rear privacy for the rear passengers. Coming around the back, we do have this car's rear parking sensors, which work seamlessly with the reverse camera. Upon opening the tailgate, it does reveal this car's 520 litres of boot space, so plenty of room for those family days out, as well as the suitcases when we can finally make it abroad again. The rear parcel shelf does fold out nice and easily, covering any items you may have stored in the back. And again, it's just as easy to fold it away again should you not need it. The 40-20-40 folding rear seats do open the space up, creating a nice through load space, while the rear scuff plate tops protect the rear of the vehicle when sliding in those longer items. Closing the rear tailgate is just a simple push of the button, and watch as it closes automatically for you. Coming around the side of the vehicle, we'll take another look at those fantastic condition 19-inch alloy wheels. And finally the ones to the front. Upon opening the driver's side door, you are greeted with this car's luxury interior. The seats are extremely comfortable and supportive, and in this car are finished in the leather and Alcantara material. Finding the perfect driving position is made really easy thanks to the manual adjustments, as well as the controls to the side here for the 4-way lumbar support. From the driver's perspective, we can see this car's leather perforated multifunction steering wheel with controls for the multimedia systems, the cruise control stalk, which is perfect for those longer motorway drives, and the paddle shifters for letting the driver take full control. This car does also feature Audi's fantastic virtual cockpit display. This lets the driver customize what is shown on the screen using the buttons located on the steering wheel. Moving over to this car's intuitive MMI touchscreen display, we can select from options like the DAB radio, with a great choice of radio stations to choose from, the satellite navigation system with multi-touch and gesture controls, mobile phone connectivity with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, perfect for taking those hands-free calls as well as streaming your latest music. We also have the Audi Drive Select system. This being a Quattro model, we do get the off-road setting, as well as efficient, comfort, auto, dynamic and individual driving styles. Lower down we do come to the controls for this car's 3-zone climate control system. The turn dials make it easy to change the temperature, while the buttons in the centre make it easy to change the fan intensity as well as the fan direction. The buttons to either side control the 2 front heated seats. Pressing these multiple times will change the intensity as well as turning them back off again. Again, being an off-road model, we do have the hill assist button. This makes it easy to descend those steeper hills when off-roading. Pushing this button here or putting the car into reverse will automatically activate the front and rear parking sensors, as well as the rear view camera. This makes parking this Q5 really nice and easy, and is especially helpful if you've never had an SUV before. Moving to the bottom, we do have a 12-volt power socket as well as a USB-A port. This is perfect for charging and connecting those media devices. To the right, we do have the stop-start engines button. And further down, we have a little cubby hole which is perfect for the keyless go keys. The audio control dial allows you to change volume and track without needing to take your eyes off the road. And finally, we have this car's automatic gear selector with the electronic parking brake. So thank you for coming on a tour of this approved used Audi Q5. If you would like any more information on the vehicle, please don't hesitate to give our team a call on 01782 488 205. Thank you.